guys. The reason why I'm streaming is just so I can have an excuse to talk to absolutely nobody. Just excuse. I'm just doing IXL. IXL. This is the most boring screen. There we go. Now people would really, really want to watch this. Seeing some trail mix. I'm doing two-step equations. So just to recap. What the? Oh. No! Okay. So you have 4. That's not a 4. You have 4. I really don't like writing G, so I'm just gonna put X. For X. Actually, no, let's do 4G, since I might confuse people. 4G minus 1 equals 11. Okay. Then you go, so you take this operation. Oh, that's minus. So how do I make this 0? Plus 1. And that's 0 now. So then I go plus 1. That's 12 now. Okay. So you have 4G. Bring it down here. 4G. And then this is multiplying, right? So you're going to divide. 4 divided by 12. Well, if you take 12, divided by 4. 1 times 4. 4, 8. 8 plus 8 equals 12, right? No. No. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. 4. Yeah. 4, it could go in 3 times. So then you write 3, and then boom. Oh. Then boom. Yep, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I just need somebody to talk to. And it doesn't even need to be anybody. I just or something to talk to. I don't really care. Okay. W. Here's where it gets goofy. Equals 6. So what you're gonna do? It's a little goofy for me. What you're gonna do? You're going to take. Pretty sure this part. Times it by that. Since this is multiplying. Or this is dividing. So that'd be times 6, and that equals 0. And it is times 6, and 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 divided by 36 equals, oh no. Bro, what the I did completely wrong. Got it. Let's do something else. Those are really easy though. Should I do it now? Let's go all the way down. Let's try this. This looks kind of easy.
Have you ever heard someone ask, what are the odds that will happen? When we wonder about how likely it is that an event will occur, we're actually thinking about probability. Probability is all about outcomes, or possible results. For instance, when we flip a coin, there are 2 possible outcomes, heads or tails. Or,
Wrong. It's really 2, not 3.
when we roll a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, 1 for each number. In this video, we're going to learn about finding the number of outcomes of compound events. So, what are compound events exactly? To figure that out, we first need to take a look at what a simple event is. When we find the probability of a simple event, we're determining how likely it is that just one event will occur. Do you remember the coin flip I mentioned earlier in this video? Well, finding the probability of landing on tails is a simple event. And what about rolling a die? Yep, you guessed it. Rolling a die and landing on a specific number, like 5, is also a simple event. Alright, now that we understand simple events, we can move on to compound events. When we find the probability of a compound event, we're determining how likely it is that more than one event will occur together. So, for example, finding the probability of landing on tails and rolling a 5 together is a compound event. Finding the probability of a compound event is a bit more complex than finding the probability of a simple event. That's because when two separate events are happening at the same time, there are more possible outcomes. To figure out the number of possible outcomes of a compound event, we can use a tree diagram to help us. Remember, our first event, flipping a coin, has two possible outcomes, heads and tails. Our second event, rolling a die, has 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll begin making our tree diagram by showing the possible outcomes from our first event, flipping a coin. These are heads and tails. If we land on heads, we could then roll any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, on the die. If we land on tails, we could also roll any number on the die. We can count the branches to determine there are 12 possible outcomes when we flip a coin and roll a die. For example, this outcome means we could land on tails.
Okay, let's do this. L, M, N, O, P. 6, 6, 6, 6, 12, 12, together, together, 6, 12, 12, 24, 24, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30. 30 outcomes. Okay. Flip a coin. Heads, tails. 4, 8, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. T, U, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. Okay.
You roll a die and spin the spin.
Quiet. 12, 12, 12, 2, 4, 6, 6, 36. Okay, 30. How's that 30? 7 outcomes. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 12, 12,
You spin the spinner and
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. triple. 2, 1. Okay. That's 2. That's 2. How many for that 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2, 4, 10, 14, 20. Okay. Over. Okay, I get it now. I get it now. 2 on 2. 2. 6. 12. 12. 12. 12. 26. Is it? No, 20. 24. Right? Yes. 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 2. 2. 6. 12. 12. 20. What? 24. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 1. That's 4. 8. Okay. 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 I just need to get 80. Maybe. Okay. 2. 2. 3. 6. 12. Um. 2. 3. 4. 4. 2. 8. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 12, 24. Easy peasy lemony squeezy. And I got 81. Should I go for extra credit? I'm in dire need, yes. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 12. 16. I should just get 81. Let's just get 81. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just need one more, one more, one more. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 18. That's one down. Yeah, let me get. There we go. Let's do more probability. It's fun. Okay, let's do this. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 12, 24. 2, 2, 6, 12. 2, 6, 12. 7. Okay, how's a 7? 2. Huh, weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 6, 6.
You roll a die and pick a card.
12, 12, 12. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 6, 12, 12, 6, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How's it 10? Oh my goodness. Plus, what the heck? Ooh, 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 ooh. Picking the divide. What the heck? Okay.
Hello students, in this video we'll find the probability of independent and dependent events. Let's get started. First, let's talk about independent events. Put simply,
Seems easy.
Today we'll be learning how to calculate density, mass, and volume. Let's quickly review what these measures are. Mass is the amount of matter an object contains. It's similar to weight. Next we have volume. Volume is the amount of space the object takes up. And density is a way to measure
No! Oh my goodness.
the mass of an object relative to, we see that the one made of cork is less dense than the one made of metal. That also means that the cork block will be lighter than the metal block. We can find an object's density by dividing its mass by its volume, like in this formula here. In fact, we can use this formula to find any of these three values if we have the values of the other two. Let's try an example.
No. So D equals MV. There we go. Perfect. So volume, grams. Density, mass is grams. So we take mass, 24, divide that by 3, pull up our calculator. Eight. Okay, take 34, and then 17, Jizo Pizza. Two. Okay, doorknob has 8, 9. Was the math? Okay. Now what? How do you solve
Let's
the
try
math?
an example. A piece of concrete has a mass of 52 grams and a volume of 26 cubic centimeters. We're looking for its density. So let's use our formula. A volume of 1.2 cubic centimeters and a density of 8 grams per cubic centimeter.
Oh, when you times it,
We want to
you times it. Times 8 times 9. That's easy. That's 72. Jeez, oh, piece. This is easy. Volume. Wouldn't you do the same thing? Or do you divide? I think you divide looking at this. Or
find the mass of the button. So let's.
okay.
A potato has a mass of 170 grams and a formula and plug in the mass 170 grams and the density 0.68 grams per cubic centimeter. Then
So you'd also times that. Times it. Oh. 164. Okay. Was the so you divide from okay. Divide B. Let's do this. What's the volume? Volume you divide, so 64 equal 32. 10 is volume. Volume. You divide, that'd be, what would that be? That'd be 2, right? Yeah. Wouldn't that be 2? Crap. No. Jeez, I hate Yahoo. Yes, it'd be 2. Volume, divide, 70 by 7, 10. Density, divide. Oh, wait, hold up. I got a tissue. Oh my goodness. Ouch. There we go. Okay. 10, 10 divided by 0.5 equals 20. What? Ain't no way. What? Huh. Goofy. Mass multiply. That'd be density divide. No, 44. Ploopity scoop. Gloopity ploop. Ploop. Scoop. Scoop. I missed it by 1.1. I got this. Volume. Divide. 9.6. 9.6. Divided by 8.0. Snug that right in here. There we go. mass equals multiply. Oh my goodness, I'm an idiot. I should. Oh, ow! Did I cut inside of my nose? Ouch! 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 Mass equals multiply. Mass equals multiply. 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 Mass equals multiply. Mass equals multiply. 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 Bum 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 bum. Oh, I should have did it. Bum 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 bum.